And now joining me on WION Newsroom, Adya Juneja, who will give us all the insights in the world of business. Miraj Shah giving us the buzz from the tech world. And Vidur Kathuria, who will get us all the updates from the world of sports. And we begin by going over to Adya for the market updates.
Well, thank you, Diksha. Global markets are reacting to fresh tensions, slowing labor data and shifting trade trends. We start with oil first. Crude prices rose more than 1% after US Donald Trump ordered a blockade of sanctioned oil tankers linked to Venezuela. Brent rose to nearly $60 a barrel, rebounding from 5-year lows hit earlier this week. Traders say up to 0.5 million barrels per day could be affected, though the near-term supply impact remains uncertain. Markets are well supplied for now, but prolonged disruption could support prices, especially for heavy crude. Now from energy markets to the US economy. The latest jobs report points to a cooling labor sentiment. The economy added 64,000 jobs in the month of November, slightly above expectations. Most of the gains came from healthcare and construction, while manufacturing continued to lose jobs. Unemployment rose to its highest level since 2021 and wage growth slowed to 3.5%. Economists say uncertainty around tariffs, inflation and geopolitics is holding back hiring. Now, policy uncertainty is also weighing on corporate decisions amid reports that Warner Brothers Discovery is preparing to reject Paramount's bid and favor Netflix. Trump has publicly distanced himself from the company. Trump said CBS News, owned by Paramount, has treated him worse since the ownership changes, rejecting suggestions of any close ties. Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner has exited the bidding process, removing a key perceived political link. The deal still faces heightened uncertainty and regulatory scrutiny. And finally, a trade update from Asia. Japan's exports to the US rose in November for the first time in 8 months. Shipments increased nearly 9%, helped by lower tariffs on autos and a weaker yen. Japan also posted its first trade surplus in 5 months. The data supports expectations of another Bank of Japan rate hike this week. However, economists warn weaker US consumer demand could limit the export rebound. And that's a wrap from the world of business. Now for all the tech updates, it's over to you, Miraj.
Thank you, Adya. Now, a well-known hacker group, Shiny Hunters, has threatened to expose identities of premium members of porn site Pornhub if a ransom is not paid. Now, the hacker group, known for carrying out ransomware attacks in the past, claims to have stolen 94 GB of personal information of Pornhub subscribers. This includes registered email addresses, location, details of browsing history, videos watched, and search keywords used. Now, the stolen data set reportedly contains over 200 million records. Shiny Hunters has said that it stole the information by breaching systems at Mixpanel, which is a web and mobile analytics firm. Pornhub has confirmed to Reuters that it is among the organizations impacted by the Mixpanel data breach. Now, Elon Musk's X Corp has sued a US startup after the latter sought to cancel X's Twitter trademarks so it can bring Twitter back, a new social media platform. Now, the lawsuit was filed in Delaware federal courts. It said that Twitter brand is still active and accuses Operation Bluebird of trademark infringement, which is a Virginia-based operation. Now, Bluebird had asked the US Patent and Trademark Office to cancel X's Twitter's trademarks, claiming they were abandoned following the rebrand to X. Bluebird said it planned to launch a rival platform called Twitter.new and had applied to register its own Twitter trademark. Finally, Instagram is expanding Reels beyond mobile screens, announcing a new pilot called IG for TV that brings these short vertical videos to television screens. The feature has been launched initially on Amazon Fire TV. The move positions Instagram to better compete with YouTube, which currently dominates TV viewing space. Now, IG for TV is going to offer a personalized experience showing Reels based on a user's viewing habits and preferred creators on the Instagram app. That's all we have for you from tech. Now for sports, it's over to you, Vidur.
Thank you so much, Mehraj. Here are the sports stories we are tracking for you at this hour. FIFA has cut the prices of some 2026 World Cup tickets after global criticism. Some fans will be able to buy tickets at $60. Now, football's governing body said that the discounted tickets will be made available for all 104 matches at the tournament in North America. Now, FIFA allocates 8% of the tickets to national associations for games involving their team to sell to the most loyal fans of their squad. The governing body on Tuesday said that 10% of those will be priced at $60, which still makes for only 1.6% of the total allocation of tickets. The tournament is set to take place from June 11th to July 19th next year across Canada, Mexico and the United States. Now, staying with football, Manchester United captain Bruno Fernandes said he was left hurt and said that some senior people at the club were ready to let him leave for Saudi Arabia. Fernandes said the club wanted him to go to Al Hilal after last season. Fernandes made the claims to Canal 11, a channel owned by the Portuguese Football Federation. The Saudi Pro League club were reportedly willing to pay $134 million for the 31-year-old midfielder. A Saudi club reportedly also offered him a weekly salary of approximately $930,000. That's nearly 3 times what he currently earns at Manchester United. Now over in cricket, Alex Carey's century led Australia to 326 for 8 on the first day of the third Ashes Test. Carey's maiden Ashes century along with Usman Khawaja's 82 helped the hosts end the day in dominant fashion. Khawaja was called into the 11 at the last moment to replace Steve Smith. Now the former Australia captain was ruled out of the test with symptoms of dizziness and nausea. Australia lead the 5-match series 2-0 and the visitors England must win to keep their hopes of regaining the Ashes alive. That's all from the world of sport. It's back to you, Diksha.
Thank you so much, Vidur, Miraj and Adya for getting us all those updates from the world of tech, business and sports.